As an emerging economy, India will have an important role in Rio Plus 20 conference. It has already taken early leads by managing to put some of its demands in the draft document.
And the highlights of that zero draft, it's called The Future We Want. The Future We Want. And it deals with several important ideas. The most important sections currently under discussion are those relating to our common vision, renewing political commitment, green economy, institutional framework for sustainable development, and framework for action and follow-up.
There are two main themes of this summit: green economy and poverty eradication. India's negotiating position has a different view of the concept of green economy than the industrialized countries. It has apprehensions that the idea of a green economy is being used for trade protectionism.
This, according to the Indian position, as mandated by Cabinet, is a very restrictive interpretation of green growth and of green economy. We are very particular that green growth should not be seen as a normative concept. We would like a discussion on green economy to focus on evolving and adopting policies that promote environmentally friendly economic growth while respecting national circumstances and, most importantly, preserving national policy space for action.
Focus of the developed countries is only on the environmental component of sustainable development, whereas the developing countries, they seek the realization of all three pillars of sustainable development, which is not only the environment but also economic development, also social development and poverty eradication.
The summit will also look at how to strengthen the institutional framework for sustainable development. It will decide the future of the United Nations Environmental Programme, UNEP.
It is likely that there will be an agreement to enhance the standing and the functions of the Commission for Sustainable Development. There may be agreement to institutionally strengthen UNEP so that it has universal membership. I do not think that the attempt to make the UNEP a specialized agency of the United Nations, I don't think, on the patterns of the FAO, for example, I don't think that that is likely to happen.